I don't like to cook. What makes me cook are my children. I like it when they eat. But for me, if you leave me as a person, I don't cook. I eat outside. But so long as I have a man I love, and I have children, and I have family, I love to cook for people to eat. My joy is that I've been able to, I put a smile, I've been able to feed my husband, I've been able to feed my boyfriend. So this thing called cooking, cleaning, these skills, it comes with love.
Hello, welcome to Reactions and Reviews. I'm your humble host, Eze. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the show. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's episode, we are going back to Africa, and specifically Nigeria. We are going to react to our good sister Blessing, a dating coach in Nigeria, and she's answering one of the questions that one of her followers asked. Is it women's job to cook and clean? Shout out to our good sister Kechi for sending this clip. Let's get to it.
Is it a woman's duty to cook and clean? I get this question a lot, especially when people come for therapy. Blessing, is it even my work to cook and clean? I am tired. For you to ask this question, it simply means there's a problem in your relationship. If you have what is called companion and compatibility, cooking and cleaning is not going to be a problem. That is the honest truth. It's not a woman's job to cook and clean, but it's a woman's duty. A woman's duty is to organize the home, especially we Africans. I know that once in a while we want to take the Igbo culture and form Miss Independence, but it's our duty. It's not our job. It's our duty to make sure that our home is being taken care of. It's being organized. That's why it's called a home. A home is not just a house. A home is being organized, making somebody, it's warming, it's welcoming, it's loving. And that's the reason why every man is looking for a woman to get married to.
She is 100% correct. This is how most African women are raised. You understand? They are raised to be housewives. Even though feminism is trying to creep into Africa, if you made it this far, hit that like button and leave a comment to trigger YouTube's algorithm. I'm a new channel and I'm trying to grow. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to let you know every time I upload a new video.
Why don't the women want to cook and clean for the men anymore?
Because they're tired, bro. They have to go to work every day. That's not hard.
They're tired?
Yeah, they gotta go to work every day, just like you.
What are they tired of?
Of working. It's not hard. I mean, I shouldn't even be like, I don't even understand the question. Now, me being of African descent, Zambia specifically, right? Most of the families are matriarchal, meaning that, you know what I'm saying, the woman is the head of the household.
How do you not know what roles are in a marriage? You're married for 20 years. You guys don't have any roles?
Because those don't exist. Now, me being of African descent, Zambia specifically, right? Most of the families are matriarchal, meaning that, you know what I'm saying, the woman is the head of the household. Okay, so now men do go to work, you know what I'm saying, pay the bills, but women make, you know what I'm saying, a vast majority of the decisions. Because those don't exist. Meaning that, you know what I'm saying, the woman is the head of the household. Because those don't exist. Meaning that, you know what I'm saying, the woman is the head of the household.
See, this sister was talking about following masculine men, leaders, head of the household, the natural way of life, the way nature intended a nuclear family to be. For those that believe in God, it is God, the man, the wife, and the children. But here in America, you have beta males that are raised by women that believe women should lead. This dude right here is the perfect example of a beta male or a simp.
Cooking and cleaning is supposed to be part of a woman's daily life. There's no big deal. If your boyfriend or your husband want to assist you, it's still okay. The problem is that you're always giving your best to the people who do not acknowledge it. You always give your best to boys. That's the reason why we will say, why not wait until you get married? You people come and say, Blessing, see you is giving me advice. No, the reason why I often say, wait until you get married so that you can give your best to your family. You can give your best to your children, to your husband. It's because so many of you have given your best to different boys who do not appreciate it. So you're beginning to rebel. You're beginning to say, I'm not doing it again. No. By the time you now find a man that is worth it, a man that puts you in his house, a man that gives you a home, that thing you're supposed to do for the man that is worth it becomes a problem.
majority of the time, when you ladies are in your 20s, in your prime, what do y'all do? You go after the Pookies and the Ray Rays. You ladies give him the best of your prime. You ladies give them babies without marriage. You understand what I'm saying? And then, when you ladies realize that he ain't about nothing, he never was, you ladies take that anger and channel and point it towards the rest of black men in America. And all of a sudden, man ain't shit, man ain't that, man not trash, man not dogs. Man, no, it's that dude you picked, sis. You chose him. You gave him a baby without marriage. And now you're blaming all men. That's just how ridiculous some of you ladies sound when you start blaming men based on your choices you made in your 20s.
It's your duty to actually cook. It's not your job. It's a duty. It's something that comes with womanhood. And as a woman, it's even supposed to give you joy. See, as I sweat. As I was saying, cooking and cleaning is supposed to give you joy. That's what makes us African women. That's the training our parents give to us to be able to utilize the skills to take care of our men and our children.
You know, there are a few women in Africa that, that will rebel. That's natural. Of course, you will have that. However, majority African women understand their duty as wives. They understand it's their duty to take care of the home and raise the children.
The sweetest thing is when I watch my man finish his food. I love it. I don't like to cook. What makes me cook are my children. I like it when they eat. But for me, if you leave me as a person, I don't cook. I eat outside. But so long as I have a man I love, and I have children, and I have family, I love to cook for people to eat. My joy is that I've been able to, I put a smile, I've been able to feed my husband, I've been able to feed my boyfriend. So this thing called cooking, cleaning, these skills, it comes with love. If there is actually love in the relationship and marriage, this question will not even come up. It's not supposed to be a question. It's supposed to be something you do out of love, out of, oh, I'm excited. Oh, I did this for my husband. My husband loved my food. Like they used to say in those days, food was the way to a man's heart. When your husband come back from work, when your boyfriend come back from work and you give him something to eat after a long day, it actually draws you closer to your man. It bonds you with him. By the time he's eating, you guys are communicating. And it's when people can eat your food, that's when you can even hurt them. So for somebody to eat your food, it simply means that they trust you. Yes. So I think it's actually a privilege for you to be able to cook for somebody you love. But the problem is a lot of we women don't date people we love. We don't date people that appreciate us. So when we put in this beautiful effort of cooking, cleaning, and taking care of a home, and it's not being appreciated, that's when we start to ask these questions. So I'm going to say to that beautiful woman out there, why not choose right?
So, ladies, basically, when you are in your 20s, stop ignoring good guys. Stop ignoring the average guy. Stop going after the dude with the swag. Stop going after the dude with the one all the women want, the Pookies. Ladies, stop giving yourself to Pookies. Stop giving them babies without marriage. And then when you hit your 30s and your 40s, all of a sudden you want to settle down. Now you want a beta male that's going to come in and play stepfather to your kids. The same kids you made with Pookie. So that will be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Do you agree or do you disagree? Either way, leave your comment below. Let's start this conversation. That will wrap it up for today's episode. And thank you for joining me. So please leave a comment below. If you agree, if you disagree, it doesn't matter. Leave the comment below. And also, you tell me what you want me to cover. You tell me what you want me to discuss and what you want me to react to. Okay? And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you on the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's rebuild the Black nuclear family. It is needed. Okay? God bless.